Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I think that this is one of the best deals that you can get from Home Depot here on their Black Friday sale. Every year, they take a few Milwaukee tools and give you some good savings on them. So I don't necessarily think that this is the best deal. I will insert a picture of what I think is the best deal right here, but I think it is one of the cheapest ways to get into some M12 Milwaukee tools. Or if nothing else, get a few batteries like they show right here. You're supposed to get two 1.5 amp hour batteries for your Milwaukee drill set. The thing that I think is real goofy about what they did is I bought this from a little stand that basically said your choice $69. And if I remember right, you could get two of these 1.5 amp hour batteries for $69, or you could get this whole drill set, this whole hex screwdriver kit for $69. Not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to go back and look, but I'm pretty confident that that is what the deal was that I saw there. So I have a series of other M12 tools, and I do not have this hex screwdriver kit. So I definitely don't think this is a necessary tool in, well, any tool line really. I am interested to check this thing out, get a little bit better of an opinion on it, because right now I see these screwdrivers as nothing more than just kind of a mix between a drill and an impact. They don't provide quite the hitting force that a impact driver does, but they have the convenience of a quick disconnect or a quick connect 1/4 inch hex chuck here, while also giving you the controllability of having a clutch like the drills have, but without having to mess with resizing your chuck every time. So they seem a little bit on the useless side to me, maybe not. I plan to do a video where I compare all three of them together, but for right now, let's just open this thing up and just kind of check it out a little bit. So it does come with a case. I'm kind of sick of these things because I don't really keep them in the cases, nor do I really need the cases. Some instructions. I think they have a giveaway in here, kind of advertise all the tools. A simple little bit. Of course, the charger, which I wish that I could just trade this charger for another battery because I already have. I think this is my 4th one. I just don't need 4 of them. 1 battery, 2 batteries, and the screwdriver. So this whole set, this whole kit was $69. Back in 2015, I got basically what I feel like is one of the best deals I've ever seen on some of these Milwaukee tools. That $200 set I showed here in the video, I think is a great deal as well. I already have 3 of the 4 tools that they were offering in there, so I didn't have any reason to buy it. But if I was gonna get into the M12 tools, that would be a great kit to buy. One quick thing that's interesting about that kit is that it is on sale other times of the year for that same price. I've seen that same kit other times of the year, and maybe a variation of it, but I'm pretty sure it's the exact same kit at other times of the year for the exact same price. So it's not super special to Black Friday, but no matter what time of year it is, I think it's a pretty good deal. Anyway, the deal that I got a few years ago, I got a drill, an M12 drill, not brushless or anything, not the fuel version, but just a regular old drill, and then one of their reciprocating saws. And a lot of people say that reciprocating saw, the non-fuel reciprocating saw for the M12 line sucks. I actually like it. I think it worked just fine. I mean, it wasn't the best, most powerful little recip saw out there, but I thought it worked okay. I only paid 99 bucks for it. It came with 2 batteries, the drill, the one-handed recip saw, and a charger, all for $99. That was a pretty great deal. I'd like it if they brought something like that back. But for this year, I think this is a pretty good deal. And like I already said, a good way to get into the M12 tool line pretty cheap. So I'm of the belief that when you get brand new battery packs, lithium ion batteries, the best thing you can do for them is charge them all the way up. My wife actually argues with me the opposite all the time. She says to get them, use them all the way down to the bottom and then charge them all the way back up. I think it's better for them to make sure they get charged all the way up when you first open them. I tried looking through the user's manuals and never saw anything indicating what to do with the batteries as soon as you open them. But because I've had pretty good luck doing that with foam batteries and things like that, I think I'll just go ahead and charge these up, but I'll use my other M12 tool batteries for this screwdriver that are already charged up. So I'm not 100% sure about where I'm really going with this video, other than just to show you this tool pretty much, kind of this really good deal at Home Depot, a good cheap way to get into the M12 tools, or at least get you a few more extra M12 batteries and getting a tool you may already or may not have. So let's just run a few screws into this big block of wood and then conclude this video. Just after driving that first screw, kind of the gist I'm getting about this thing is that it pretty much is exactly what I said in the beginning. It's basically the convenience of a 1/4 inch impact without the extra power and roughly the same power as a drill. Yeah, I don't know, to me it's kind of like your IKEA furniture assembling tool. So depending on your needs and purposes for your M12 tool line, this may or may not be a completely useful tool to you. For me, I mean, it was a cool way to get an extra tool for the same price of getting a couple extra batteries. In a previous video that I did comparing the M12 drill to a Warrior 12-volt drill, I had someone mention the use of installing fire alarms. Their wife installs a lot of fire alarms in apartment complexes or something like that. This was a while back. I don't remember the exact conversation I had with this person, but they said they thought that Warrior would be the perfect thing to get his wife just for doing that job quick and easy. And you know, this really might be kind of like the premium tool for that. I think there's even a fuel version of this tool for whatever reason. But yeah, this whole concept to me of having 1/4 inch screwdrivers is kind of a new one. I don't know that I see a real use for these tools. I think if the impact just provides way too much power for what you're doing, then go ahead and grab your drill and throw a drill bit into it. Cool tool. I'm a tool guy anyway, so you know what? I like it no matter what. It's a red, white, and black tool, which gives me the fizz for whatever reason. But yeah, pretty cool little tool. Get yourself a couple extra batteries and get a basically free tool with it. I don't know. Decent deal. I like it. I'll probably find some uses for it. I started this video with the intention of just kind of showcasing this deal that Home Depot had for the holidays, giving you an idea of what's there, showing you what you're going to get if you decided to pick it up, and just a cheap way to get into the M12 tools if that's a cordless tool line you're thinking of getting into. But outside of that, I don't know. I guess I didn't really totally know where I was going with it. So anyway, I've got a way cooler video coming up where I'm going to compare the screwdriver to the impact to the drill of the M12 tool line, all non-fuel versions. These are all just brushed versions of these tools. Kind of show you what each of their purpose is, comparing what their strengths and weaknesses are and why you might want one, none, or all three of them. So watch out for that video because I do think that one will be kind of cool and worth watching. But other than that, thanks for watching. If you guys wouldn't mind, give this video a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. If you're not subscribed already, go down and click subscribe. As always, helps the channel out. I've got a goal to get to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and I've got a little over a month and a half left to do it. So any extra help I can get with those YouTube algorithms by subscribing and commenting and giving thumbs ups in my video, I'd really appreciate it. It would help a lot. We'll see you in the next video.